Alright guys, so the first part you have to do is remove this little piece, and it's only being held up by this little pin. Now once you have that removed, it's gonna be right up here. That's the piece that you're gonna take out. Where is it? Right there. And then pretty much put the pedal commander there. Now the instructions say to leave your key fob at least 30 feet away from the car, so that is what I'm about to do. I'm going to close the car, and then I'm going to take the key fob and put it inside, and I'll come back and we'll get this thing in there. Alright guys, so I'm going to run it through here. The pedal commander is going to run through here, and then the wire is going to come through here. I just unplugged the throttle, and I'm going to plug it back in. We'll see. So before I tighten all the bolts and all that other stuff, I'm going to start the car up. We're going to see if I have any throttle. Make sure that the installation was good. It's just a really awkward spot to try and do this, but all right, it's in. All right, moment of truth. No check engines. And there you go. Now guys, it is raining like a son of a gun. So all right guys, so I mean overall the installation is actually not that bad. It's just kind of a pain in the butt to get to. So I'm just going to take it for a quick spin, and obviously no time tests are going to be able to be had here with the rain, but still. I have it in Sport Plus. We're going to see if I just first impressions, if there's just anything here. So I have it on Sport Plus, the top, number 4. Holy dude, this thing just jerks you. I mean, you feel a little something there, but let's really test this thing. What? My car sounds like a goddamn animal. Oh my god, what the fudge? Guys, I'm not gonna lie, this is what I thought my PCM was gonna do to my car. I don't know if you could hear my exhaust, but it is just going crazy right now. I was talking to Growl about this. I think it just keeps your throttle open. I can't step on the gas without kicking myself back. I can't step on the gas without going sideways at this point, and I'm not even stepping on it. All right, first impressions, this thing is pretty decent. First impressions. we're gonna have to put this thing to a time test, but it feels like a monster. Alright, I'm gonna shut this thing off. I'm gonna feel the difference now. So I'm gonna put it in eco mode. Bear with me, I don't really know how to use this thing just yet. So alright, I'm gonna have to go and read the directions on this thing. I don't know, I'm like stuck in Sport Plus here, so oh, there we go. All right, I just needed to hit the right button. Oh my God, no way. Dude, there's such a huge difference. Huge difference. You feel it right out of the gate. The difference between when it's on and when it's off, it's like freaking night and day. Night and day. Guys, this is first impressions. Please, you know, just keep this shit in mind. I have not done any time tests. I can't do any time tests until I actually get some nice weather, but I just want to do a quick installation and some first impressions on a drive. And I mean, without it on, you definitely feel like a lag. So I have it off. Okay. I'm gonna turn it on, and I'm gonna do the same little minor acceleration. Spun like a son of a bitch. I am gonna shred these 315s up. I'm not even touching the gas, and this thing is freaking just spinning out. Whoa. Whoa. That's badass, man. That's badass. I mean, this thing feels like a freaking animal. I can't wait to test this sucker. I can't wait to really get some good weather. Guys, ho-ho! Okay. Now remember, wait for me to do some time tests, but I'm just giving you first impressions, and let me tell you, they're good. They're very good first impressions. Alright, I shut it off. That's badass.